Hello everyone, good morning. Today we will continue our chapter probability. Now see your probability chapter exercise. Today we will discuss. Firstly we will see probability scale. Again see probability scale. See in this we know that probability lies between 0 to 1. If we have the chances like impossible, it means any event is impossible, it means it has the value 0. If any event is unlikely, it means जिस event के होने के chances बहुत कम हो, that is unlikely event and have the probability 1/4. Which has probability, which has event has chances to happen 50-50%. Then probability is 1/2 and we can say it is a even likely type of chances. Or if has more chances to happen, then you can say it is more likely and probability have 3/4. If any event happens surely, then it is called sure event and probability value 1. Okay. It means probability value lies between 0 to 1. It never be less than 0 and greater than 1. Probability of any event not happening. कोई event ऐसा है, अगर हमें उसके event के होने की probability पता है, means event will happen, P of E, that event happening. Then event not happening, how to find out? That is equal to 1 minus P of event happening. Now today we will discuss questions related to this. Your exercise 20th. A spinner having the numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A spinner having the number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is spun. What is the probability of getting a 4? 4 आने की probability क्या होगी? Probability of getting 4. See, total how many cards here? 6. When you are spinning there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means number of possible outcomes we can say 6 here. Then number of successful outcome. Successful outcome 4 how many times on this? Only 1 time. Then successful outcome 1 and total outcomes or possible outcomes 6. So we can see that probability of getting 4 is equal to 1/6. Next question is given to you, a prime number. In this prime number, probability of getting prime number. So how many numbers are prime here in the given data? That is 2 prime number, 3 prime number, 5 prime number, 7 prime number. Total how many prime numbers are here? 4 prime number. So number of favorable outcome or number of successful outcome. Probability formula we can say number of favorable outcome or number of successful outcome divided by number of possible outcome. So what is the probability of prime number? Becomes 4/6. That is an even number. Even number, and you can find out like this 2/3. Even number. How many even numbers here? 2, 4, 6. 3 numbers are even number. Then probability of getting even number is equal to 3/6 is equal to 1/2. So we find out the probability like this. Now see next question. Instead of numbers, the letter in the word chance CHANCE. Instead of numbers, the letter in the word chance was stuck on a die. मतलब एक die के ऊपर CHANCE. These 6 letters written on a dice. Find the probability of rolling H. Letter H हमें चाहिए. तो letter H how many times? Only one time in this. So probability becomes 1/6. That number of favorable outcome or number of successful outcome only one. H only one time in it, and total outcome 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 1/6 here. A vowel. Vowel, that is A, E, I, O, U. But in this word, in this letter, in these letters there are 2 vowels only, A and E. So what is the probability of getting a vowel? That is 2 divided by 6. Consonant. How many consonant? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 4/6 here. Any letter except E. E नहीं आना चाहिए, बाकी कोई भी letter आ जाए. Then what is the probability? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 5/6 here. A dice tossed one. What is the probability of number 7 coming up? Dice we know that has the number only 1 to 6. There is no number 7. It means it becomes an impossible event. That is probability 0. That is 0/6 is equal to 0. What is the probability of a number less than 7? Less than 7. 1 to 6. All the numbers are less than 7. It means probability of getting less than 7 is equal to 6/6 is equal to 1. So this type of event is called sure event. More than 7 or up number 7, this is impossible event. That's why probability 0. And which surely happen. That's why this is called an sure event and have the probability 1. Okay, now see your exercise 20. A dice rolled once. What is the probability of rolling 3? 3 only one time, that is 1/6. 7 no, so probability 0. And even number 1 to 6, then even number 2, 4, 6. There are total 3 number. Then probability become 3/6. A prime number, already prime number 2, 3, 5. Total how many prime number in this? 3 prime number on a dice. So that's why probability becomes 3/6. Okay, now see. A normal die is rolled. Calculate the probability that the number on the uppermost face when it stops rolling will be 5. Only one time. Obviously 1/6. Okay, one see. P, probability of getting 5 is equal to 1/6. Then what is the probability of not getting 5? It becomes 1 minus probability of getting 5. Then 1 minus 1/6, 6 LCM, then it becomes 5/6. और यू कैन सी कि 1 to 6 नंबर में अगर हमें 5 नहीं चाहिए, वी डोंट नीड 5, देन इट मीन्स 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. टोटल 5 सक्सेसफुल आउटकम एंड पॉसिबल आउटकम, number of possible outcomes 6. Then what is the probability? 5/6. Not 5. Okay, an odd number 1, 3 and 5. Then you can find out prime number also. Even prime number, we have prime number 2, 3, 5. Even prime number in it only this one. So probability 1/6 only. A 3 और a 4, या तो 3 आना चाहिए या 4 आना चाहिए, दोनों में से कोई भी कंडीशन. और कंडीशन में क्या होता है, जैसे इन द एग्जाम वेन एवर क्वेश्चन इज गिवन, जब भी और होते हैं 2 क्वेश्चंस के बीच में, इट मीन्स इफ यू अटेम्प्ट एनी वन क्वेश्चन, उनमें से अगर तुमने एक भी क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट किया, देन यू विल गेट फुल मार्क्स फॉर दैट वन क्वेश्चन. चाहे क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट करो और क्वेश्चन सेकेंड, दोनों में से हमने कुछ भी चूज किया, तो सिमिलर कंडीशन वी विल अप्लाई हेयर. चाहे ऊपर 3 आ जाए चाहे 4 आ जाए, हमारी जो कंडीशंस है वो फुलफिल हो रही है. इट मीन्स वी विल काउंट बोथ. सो इन दिस केस what we will do, 1/6 plus 1/6, 2/6. You can do like this also कि 3 आने की probability 1/6, 4 की probability 1/6. You can add it or you can say directly that number of favorable outcome now becomes 2, then 2/6, 1/3. In the next question 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, it means इन चारों में से कुछ भी आता है तो हमारी जो कंडीशन है वो फुलफिल हो जाएगी. तो it means probability becomes 4/6. A card is chosen at random from an ordinary deck of playing cards. This is a question number 4 of your exercise 20. What is the probability that a diamond is chosen? तो किसी भी पैक ऑफ कार्ड में डायमंड कितने कार्ड्स होते हैं? टोटल 13 कार्ड्स. डायमंड, हार्ट, डायमंड, स्पेड, क्लब. तो कितने कार्ड्स ऐसे होते हैं जो डायमंड होते हैं? 13 कार्ड्स. सो प्रोबेबिलिटी बिकम्स 13 डिवाइड बाय 52. एक किंग इज चूजन. पैक ऑफ कार्ड में किंग के कितने कार्ड्स होते हैं? हाउ मेनी कार्ड्स ऑफ किंग? देयर आर टोटल 4 कार्ड्स ऑफ किंग. दैट्स व्हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी बिकम 4 डिवाइड बाय 52. ए ब्लैक 4 इज चूजन. ब्लैक 4. अब वो 4 नंबर जो ब्लैक कलर का है, टोटल ब्लैक कलर के कार्ड्स होते कितने हैं? 26, जिसमें से 13 स्पेड एंड 13 क्लब. तो इट मीन जो 4 नंबर कार्ड होगा वो क्लब 4 होगा और 1 स्पेड 4. तो टोटल 2 कार्ड्स आर ब्लैक कलर कार्ड्स इन अ पैक ऑफ कार्ड फॉर द नंबर 4. दैट्स व्हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी बिकम 2 डिवाइड बाय 52. ए 7 ऑफ हार्ट्स इज चूजन. हार्ट का 7 ओनली 1 कार्ड होगा. टोटल हार्ट्स के कार्ड्स होते हैं 13, जिसमें 1 नंबर अलॉटेड होता है. तो इट मीन्स 7 का हार्ट ओनली 1 कार्ड होगा. देन बिकम्स प्रोबेबिलिटी 1/52. ओके, नाउ सी ए सर्वे ऑफ फैमिली 500 फैमिली शोज द फॉलोइंग रिजल्ट. योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स इन द फैमिली एंड नंबर ऑफ फैमिलीज गिवन टू यू. Number of girls in the family, and downside number of families. Number of girls 1, 2, 3, 0. Families 400, 50, 5, 45. What is the question? A survey of 500 families. Total 500 families का survey किया गया. Then you will get this one result. Out of this, one is chosen as random. Find the probability that the chosen family has 2 girls. Probability of 2 girls. 2 girls की कितनी families है? 50. Total number of families 500. It means what is the probability of having 2 girls? That is 1/10. So this time we find out the probability of given question. Okay, now see. Use the spinner which shows the probability of spinning the letter A. एक स्पिनर है जिसके ऊपर लेटर्स लिखे गए हैं. उस लेटर्स में A आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी कितनी है? See, in this spinner, like this spinner, A, B, A, C, B. This is written. Use the spinner which shows the probability of spinning the letter A. लेटर ए को स्पिन करने की प्रोबेबिलिटी कितनी है? तो स्पिनर पे ए लेटर कितने टाइम्स है? टोटल 2 टाइम्स, 1 and 2, and total numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then probability becomes 2 divided by 5. Okay, now see the MCQs 14th. A bag holds 26 tiles. एक बैग है जिसमें 26 tiles है, each marked with a different letter. What is the probability that one tile is chosen at random is not a vowel? 26 tiles है, each marked with a different letter. What is the probability that one tile chosen at random is not a vowel? तो vowel कौन कौन से होते हैं? A, E, I, O, U. Total how many vowels are there? 5 vowels are there. See, it's easy for you that firstly find out that probability of having vowel. What is the probability of having vowel? 5 and total alphabets are 26. Then probability becomes 5 by 26. Probability of not having vowel. We have the formula for this is equal to 1 minus probability of having vowels, that becomes 21 by 26. It means total 21, probability of this one is equal to 21 divided by 26. It is asking, wait, what is the probability that one tile chosen at random is not a vowel? It means vowel होने की probability तो है 5 by 26. नहीं होने की probability that event not happened is equal to 1 minus event happened, then you will get the result 21 by 26. It is not a probability of getting not a vowel. Okay, now see the question number 15. Ankit bought 2 packs of red pens. 2 pack of red pen. 1 pack of blue pen. 3 pack of black pen. The red pen packs have 4 pen each. It means 1 pack red, then 2 into 4, total 8 pens. In 2 packs we have 8 pens. The blue pen pack and black pen pack have 3 pens is. It means here 1 into 3 is equal to 3 blue pens, and this one 3 into 3 is equal to 9 black pen. He places all his pen in a pen holder. उसने सारे पेन्स लिए, ये जो 8 plus 3, 11 plus 9, 20, टोटल 20 पेन्स उसने एक पेन होल्डर में रख दिए. What is Ankit's probability of picking a red pen from the pen holder? उस पेन होल्डर में से अब हमारे पास टोटल एक पेन होल्डर में 20 पेन्स है, जिसमें 8 रेड पेन, 3 ब्लू पेन and 9 ब्लैक पेन. तो उसमें से रेंडमली चूज किया गया एक रेड पेन. तो रेड पेन के पॉसिबल फेवरेबल आउटकम कितने हो गए? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. फेवरेबल आउटकम 8 and number of possible outcome, total number of pens in this 20. It means probability become 8 by 20 when you solve it. 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20, 2 by 5. So you can now complete your chapter 20 in your notebook. The next thing is estimating probability by experiment, and this one experiment that you are doing trial something and find out the probability in this. So complete your exercise, complete your chapter 20 in your fair notebook and do chapter assessment also for it. Okay student, thank you, have a nice day.